The brush holders support the motor brushes and align them with the armature. The holder is plastic with a metal sleeve. It has 2 tabs that align it with the tool's housing. If the motor is overloaded, the heat can cause the plastic holder to melt or deform. Replacing the brush holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the rear handle from the polisher. Next, I'll remove the brush cap and brush from the damaged brush holder. And I'll pull the brush holder away from the housing. Now I can install the new brush holder. It's possible that the tab on the brush holder may have been bent in shipping. If so, you'll need to bend it back so it's 90 degrees to the holder. I'll align the tab with the opening in the housing and insert the brush holder into place. With the new brush holder installed, I'll reinstall the brush and secure it with the brush cap. I'll finish by reinstalling the housing. And now you know how to replace the brush holder in your polisher.